Look at this thing. eBay exhaust. All right, no exhaust.
Bro.
They might come with the windshields.
It's on jack stands now. We're gonna switch the exhaust out.
Oh, what the?
Put a new fart can. Yeah, it's 4 inches.
No.
Look at that.
This thing's probably gonna break.
Penetrating oil?
Penetrating oil. I have WD-40.
I got it off.
Oh, you don't need it?
Yeah, that's what the impact did to it.
Oh.
The
Did this thing come with it? Or no, these are different.
yeah.
Dude, that thing is fucking sweet.
The lower control arm is in the way. If I want to just go right at it.
There it goes. So it kind of just fell off.
Yeah.
It doesn't fit too well under my car either.
It will not fit.
Perfect. That's good.
Oh yeah, you got a different.
Hey, Max. Is it fun? I thought working on cars was supposed to be fun.
No. But this eBay one is a 2-part exhaust. See?
Oh, so we have to put the bend in it?
Yeah, this part. This is bigger than stock.
The piping?
Yeah. Civics at 3 a.m.
Yeah. Low.
Ah!
Those things are just like Homer's butt. Homer butt.
All right, so we got the front end of the exhaust on. Now we're gonna put on the, yeah, on in quotation. We're gonna put on the back end now. That
The
guy
muffler
over there,
part.
the muffler.
Also muffler.
Also yeah, if it does muffle it whatsoever.
Oh, thank you. Shine it over here. Yeah, perfect. Just like that. Hook it on.
Is it not going on?
No, I'm taking it off.
Oh.
That's weird.
It's a completely different one. There.
Cool. This hanger is still confusing the hell out of me. We should just angle grind it off, because there's no reason for it to be on there.
All right. Oh my God.
Bro, at first I was like, no. I was like, oh shit.
Let's see it. Right. It helps a little bit. Oh my God.
It is so raspy.
It's so bad.
Yeah, dude.
So that's a silencer.
Yeah. I'm thinking we drill holes through it, and then we wrap it in steel wool.
Show the camera the hose. You want to deburr those?
Nah.
There's no reason, huh? Fisheye mode. Can't really get the small details.
You can crop it later.
True. Hey, what are you drinking?
I don't know. Some kind of beer.
Just some random beer.
Random beer.
Oh, that sounds better. Oh,
That sounds worse.
First feels like neutral.
oh, that's better. That sounds way better.
For you motherfucking hoes.